This year at Ford, we are investing $1 billion and creating 500 jobs to build the all-new 2020 Ford Explorer, Lincoln Aviator, and Ford Police Interceptor utility, adding to the billions in investment and thousands of workers hired at our 24 U.S. manufacturing facilities since 2011. These jobs and investments helped us build more vehicles in the United States than any other automaker in 2018. We also employ more U.S. hourly workers than any other automaker. And we lead our competitors in vehicles made in America that are exported to other countries. Our commitment to American manufacturing doesn't stop there. We're continuously improving the efficiency of our U.S. plants to build high-quality vehicles using the latest innovation, including robotics, 3D printing, and virtual reality that are helping us build the industry's freshest lineup of smart vehicles for a smart world.